Namaskara. Welcome to Vedaanta's Sattvic Stories. Today we will learn how to make a very popular dish from Karnataka as Hagalkayi Palya in Kannada. It is also known Bittergourd Palya. Heat a pan over the stove on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add the cut bittergourd slices to the pan and fry them till they are around 50% cooked. Fry well for reducing bitterness. Take another pan, keep it on medium flame and add 1.5 tablespoons oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 2 to 3 red chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, half teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons sambar powder, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon jaggery, 2 teaspoons tamarind pulp. Fry the mixture till the tomato pieces are fully fried. Add the half-cooked bittergourd to this mixture. Stir the mixture well. Bittergourd is a popular vegetable across the country and is consumed in various forms and dishes. It also helps in reducing blood sugar and cholesterol levels in the body. Add half cup of water to the mixture. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add some grated coconut. Bittergourd Palya goes well with chapati and rice as a main item during lunch or dinner. Add some coriander leaves. Tasty Bittergourd Palya is ready to be served. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. For more such Sattvic recipe videos, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon.